We just woke up. Oh, my lens is fogging up because it's warm out here and it's cold in the room. But we just woke up, going to eat some breakfast. Hopefully they got some good food. I'm sure they do. Oh, I'm fogging up. Look at all this food she just got.
You got it.
She's not gonna eat any of that. Yeah, I just eat pancakes, burrito, breakfast burrito, bacon sausage, eggs and toast, and hash browns and bacon and French toast. Looks delicious. So guys, it's so nice out today. It is, I don't even know, I think it's like 80 something right now. Really sunny out. We just came out and laid by the pool. Look at that.
What?
Fake eyelashes.
What the?
Someone's fake eyelashes.
You can't go in the water.
Anyways, we're laying down by the pool. Very nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out by the pool for a little bit and probably go down the beach maybe just real quick. And then we're actually switching rooms. So yesterday we actually got an upgrade to like a master suite. But then today in the morning we woke up to the bathroom was leaking, the ceiling was leaking, and the floor is all soaked. So we're switching our rooms. We're going up another story, so we're going up higher to a different room. We just gotta wait until 11:30, so we got about an hour. So we're just gonna relax by the pool, and then after that we're gonna go to Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach. We have to hike over the rocks, and we're gonna try to see the Cabo Arch, or the Arc.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
Let's go on some adventures. We finally are finished. We switched rooms. It's way better. But now we are gonna go hike. Like I said, we're gonna hike over the cliffs or over the rocks to, well, there's Divorce Beach. And then there's Lovers Beach. I think it's called Divorce Beach because the Divorce Beach is on the Pacific side and the waves are ridiculous. That's why you can't swim there. And then Lovers Beach is like the nice, calm, blue, really nice water where you can swim at. So that's Lovers Beach. So we're gonna go there. It's probably like a 10-minute hike, not even long. Shouldn't be hard. So that's where we're going now. So here's the rocks. We made a new friend. Sammy, we got a new friend, Sammy.
What's up?
He's gonna hike over the, whoa. He's gonna hike over the wall with us. But yeah, it's pretty should only take about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we just made it to the other side. She did it. Even though she was scared.
It's like a big fear of mine.
Now we got one more obstacle. We gotta climb over those mossy rocks. We made it. We are on the beach. Actually, this is Divorce Beach, like I was saying earlier. Because I'm pretty sure they named it that because the waves are crashing like a divorce. And it is prohibited to be here. The famous Cabo Arch or Arc is behind that rock. You see, that's where all the boats are going. It's like a famous arched rock. You cannot swim out there or you get taken away by sea. So we might take a boat out there later to see how there's some surfers. So we are at Lovers Beach. I just went swimming, but these two kids are about to jump off the top of the rock. Yeah, I guess he didn't die.
Believing you will get you round of applause. Alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. You say you haven't been yourself for a long, long time. Barely awake and it is already on your mind. But even if you open up and it's all pretend, and I know you think it's worth every time you spend, you can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you.
So we just got back at the what is this? The room at the resort, and it was a pretty fun time. We took showers and we just got ready. We're about to go to downtown Cabo, little marina and everything. There's like a bunch of stores and restaurants and cool things. But anyways, our new friend that we met, he actually brought like a 1980s Polaroid camera that prints the pictures. So we took a picture. He took a picture for us, and this is how it came out. It was pretty cool. It's like a classic vintage look with the waves crashing in the background. We got it right on the back of it, like Cabo or something. But yeah, pretty cool memories. She actually has a Polaroid camera. Is it a Polaroid? It's one of the ones that prints the pictures, but she left it back in Massachusetts. So she has to get it when we go back there, and we can take some more cool pictures like that. Guys, so it's late. It's probably like 11, almost 12. You can't even see me, it's not even focusing. But I am walking out to the water. I'm like alone here. It's like a desolate wasteland. Basically everything in the hotel closes at like 10 or 11. So there's no restaurants open, no bars open, nothing open. I'm hungry, I want some snacks, I want some cookies, but we ain't got nothing open. So I'm heading down to the beach area, and I'm gonna see if I can see any stars and take a picture of the sky. And it's kind of weird out here because I'm all alone. Nobody's out here. All you can hear is the waves. Some killer's gonna come up and grab me. But yeah, there's some stuff going on down there with lights and some hotels, but our hotel is just empty. Nobody's walking around. Nobody's outside. It's weird. But I don't see any stars. It's kind of cloudy out. I'm gonna see what I can get right here, guys. I came into the other hotel. It's another big resort that's next to us. We're in the Somar, and right now I'm in the Grand Somar, so it's huge. It's like a 12-story hotel, and it's pretty big. It has like 3 big ass pools. But I've never seen a resort that has no like stores or anything anywhere. Oh wait, where am I going? Oh, I went this way. I've never seen a resort where everything is closed. So there's no bars. The market's not open. There's no food. I can't get food anywhere unless I order room service, and the room service is not free. I'm starving, and everything's closed. Like there's nobody walking around. It's a dead zone. It's a ghost town. Whatever. I'm gonna go back to the room and just go to sleep hungry, like I'm poor. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Tomorrow, we're gonna go downtown to the marina, walk around, see the city, and then I think we're gonna do a sunset cruise to the Arch, see the famous Cabo Arc or Arch. I don't know how to say it. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow for another day in Cabo. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Life of Mikey. Peace.